Planning to visit Dubai? Whether it's for a vacation, job, or business, here's your simple step-by-step guide to getting a Dubai visa. Dubai offers several visa types: tourist visa, business visa, transit visa, and long-term visit visa. For most travelers, the tourist visa is the easiest to apply for. You'll need 1. A valid passport, minimum 6 months validity. 2. Passport size photo. 3. Flight booking. 4. Hotel booking or sponsor details. 5. Visa application form. You can apply through the UAE official eVisa website, your airline, like Emirates or Fly Dubai, a registered travel agency. Simply fill the form, upload documents, and pay the fee. Processing usually takes 3 or 5 working days. Fees depend on the visa type. Tourist visa costs around $100 to $150 USD. Make sure your passport is valid, double-check your details, and always apply through trusted sources. Once approved, you'll receive your eVisa by email. Print it, and you're ready to explore Dubai. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to get that visa for more step-by-step visa guides every week.